No, na say I can't food.
Which one you want to take first?
This one, my face enter and well.
Your face enter and wait, my pack more talk. You never even touch this one at all. See now, now confirm.
I know with the way you dey call this one 35, 45.
Not true. No. Ma see which
pouch.
Go fit am. This one. Try this one first.
This one go fit am. God bless Nigeria.
Amen.
So how much you call am last?
This one, now for you, 45. But for you, take am 40.
40.
You say ma carry this one.
Wait, we no conclude yet.
Wait. I don dey waka for soon since.
Son, come. Children. To the price. They ask me how much.
How much you want pay?
Hope you know the best.
I know the first. But I go call Amadioha for you. Now God of, no worry, he go fire you with thunder. Oh yeah, nah.
What of 2,500?
For waiting this one.
What's your cool guy? Oh, really?
And I wait. 2,500 for Abba. Fear God,
Maybe na second hand you dey sell.
45, 25.
Maybe na second hand you dey sell.
Thank you, na second hand. No worry, I'll see person who go buy. This Yoruba people. 45, na 2,500. I fear you. You don't marry so. You don't marry so.
You dey sell second hand phone. You dey happy abi.
Thank you.
I don't blame you.
Nah, thank you.
I just dey look at you. We be customer.
Una forget.
Ya go be mo da for sinanya.